How to reduce background noise in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad audio editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to clean up by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or press Ctrl+O for quick access. Once your audio is loaded into the editor, go to the Effects tab located on the top toolbar. Under the Cleanup section, click on Noise Reduction. From the drop-down menu, choose AI Noise Reduction. Once selected, this tool will automatically detect and remove background noise such as hum, static or distant noises, while keeping your voice clear and intact. After the processing is complete, your audio will sound clearer and more professional. Alternatively, you can also explore other options like Auto Spectral Subtraction, Noise Gate, Multiband Noise Gating, or grab noise sample from selected area for spectral subtraction. These tools allow more manual control and may work better depending on your specific audio file. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, click Apply to remove the unwanted background noise. Finally, save your cleaned audio by going to the File menu and selecting Save As to preserve the original version. And that's it. Now you know how to reduce background noise in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.